Friends, in this video for ithought Advisor, I'm going to talk to you on a very interesting topic, the march of Indian ETFs. ETFs, or exchange traded funds, have begun their journey in India very recently. But in a very short time, the National Stock Exchange has notified that the 150th ETF has been launched. So, one can be sure that ETFs are here to stay, they are going to play a very important part, and passive investing is now offering more investment options than ever before. When passive investing offers more investing options than ever before, it's natural that investors explore this space and find what suits them. But imagine picking one or two or three products from 150 products. Do you think that's a walk in the park? Certainly not. I had this very interesting experience where we studied ETFs after the COVID crash in the United States. And guess what? We had to study so many products. It's a plethora of products. Understanding ETFs and researching them itself is a separate discipline. It's not as simple as we make out to be, because each product has a composition, it has a style, it has a characteristic fund management approach to construction. It's got so many things that go into it, and it's important that you understand from what perspective the product has been created and how that product will fit an investor's need. So you can't do inky pinky ponky and buy ETFs. Or while ETF investing may appear to be passive, the actual investment selection calls for just as much the same skills as active investing, or probably in some cases even more. Timing, selecting themes at the right moment, scaling up, right sizing the position are all challenges which ETFs will throw at us. So, while we have plenty of choice today, 150 at last count, and this could well become 500 before we say blink, ETF investing is only going to become more and more interesting, more and more challenging, more and more complex, and more rewarding. So that's the good news about ETF investing. And all mutual funds and AMCs are going to launch more and more products based on these 150 ETFs and counting. It's important that investors know which product to buy, how to buy, how much to buy, till when they need to hold, and what should be their exit strategy. So, passive funds are just as complex as active funds, if not more complex. Passive investing is now going to make choice difficult because you're going to be spoiled for choice. And you need to understand exactly what you should buy and how you should manage your investment. Thank you for watching this video.